By default, the N610E cabinet is customized for the device. If you purchased a cabinet for use with the device, ensure that the cabinet meets the following requirements. First, the cabinet must be a 19-inch standard cabinet. The depth of the cabinet is greater than 1,000 millimeters, 39.37 inches, and the interior height is not less than 2,000 millimeters, 78.74 inches. Second, the distance between the mounting bar and the front column is greater than 150 millimeters, 5.91 inches. Install guide rails. Install floating nuts. Check the appearance. Place the NE9000-8 on the guide rails of the cabinet and push the chassis into the cabinet. Note the following. The device is heavy and needs to be carried by 5 persons. Use the handles at both sides of the device to carry it. Do not use handles on any other module. Do not step on the air filter at the bottom of the cabinet. Use M6 panel screws to secure the NE9000-8 in the cabinet. Attach temporary labels to both ends of each ground cable. Route the ground cable along the cable ladder and connect it to the ground terminal on the top of the cabinet. Install the protection ground cable for the device. Attach permanent labels 20 mm, 0.79 inches from both ends of each ground cable. Install PMs. If you do not need to install the maximum number of PMs, install PMs in corresponding slots based on the mappings between PMs and PEMs. During installation, ensure that the PM side with a top embossed seal face upwards. When you insert a PM into a slot, use one hand to firmly hold the module and make the module align with the slot opening. Use the other hand to hold the bottom of the module and horizontally push it into the slot. After the module is pushed into place, the bolt will be automatically locked into the slot. During this process, the vibration of the bolt's lock can be felt. Attach temporary labels at both ends of each power cable. Route power cables along the cable ladder to the chassis. Gently push the side buckle to open the protective cover. Connect one end of the high-voltage power cable to the input terminal of the PEM and fasten the protective cover. Connect the other end to the power distribution frame, PDF, in the equipment room. Secure the cables to the cable tray. Install boards. Loosen the captive screws on the filler panel, hold the clips at both ends, and remove the filler panel. There are 3 types of boards: boards with ejector levers, boards without ejector levers, and flexible plug-in cards, FPICs. The installation method varies with the board type. Complete board installation by referring to the corresponding video. Attach temporary labels to both ends of each optical fiber. Use cable ties to bundle optical fibers. Route optical fibers along the cable tray. Install optical modules and remove dust-proof caps from optical modules and optical fibers. Then connect optical fibers to the optical modules. Connect the other end of each optical fiber to an optical distribution frame, ODF. Bundle optical fibers with binding tapes at an interval of about 150 millimeters, 5.91 inches. Use cable ties to secure the optical fibers to the cable tray. Attach permanent labels 20 millimeters, 0.79 inches from both ends of each optical fiber.